Planet Earth is a wondrous place that never ceases to amaze with its majestic wonders of nature, but our planet isn't without its fair share of mystery either. If you are fascinated by the places that will give you goosebumps, you will certainly be intrigued by these enigmatic spots around the world. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Explorcity for the mind-blowing content. So now let's take a look at the 5 strangest places on the earth scientists are still trying to understand. The Eternal Flame Falls is one of the most craziest places in the world, and it's located in Chestnut Ridge Park in western New York. A small grotto at this waterfall base emits a natural gas which can be lit to produce a flame. This flame is visible throughout the year, but it can be extinguished and occasionally be relit. This flame is fueled by natural gases and burns bright right under the waterfall, which amazes the tourist. The Spotted Lake in Canada is the most mineralized lake in the world, another bizarre place that makes its name in the weirdest places. This lake is spotted with 365 separate pools arranged in strange mosaic-like pattern. Each of these spots holds a unique and highly concentrated chemical content and is said to cure the different diseases. Thus, we can definitely say it's one of the nicest, strangest places in the world. In the unending whiteness of the snow, Blood Falls provides a creepy relief. The water here is red in color due to the presence of huge amount of iron, definitely making its name in the list of strangest places in the world. According to the Forbes, the mystery surrounding the Blood Falls has been solved. The researchers of the University of Alaska says the red coloring of the water is due to the oxidized iron in the brine salt water. The same process that gives the iron a dark red color when it rusts. The Death Valley in California is one of the weirdest places in the world, owing to the phenomena of the sailing stones that have bewildered people for generations. In 1915, people had discovered a track here which indicated that a particular stone had moved from its place in a dry land. This sailing stone had immediately been recorded, and the locals began further study so that they could learn more about this mystery. A lot of rocks have been moved on their own since then, and the natives believe that it happens because of the formation of the ice around the stones, though it is not yet confirmed. Unusually giant boulders dot the eroded Otago coastline along a stretch of Morocco Beach in New Zealand is very weird. Scientists are unable to explain what is expected to be a natural phenomenon. They are unusually large and either occur scattered in the region or in clusters. Though the beach faces erosion every now and then, the rocks refuse to change their structure and remain firmly cemented in the ground. This is a must-visit place for the nature lovers. That's all for the 5 strangest places on the earth. Have you ever visited any of the places that we just mentioned? Then let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and hit that thumbs up button before you go.